Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to create a list in Python. So first of all guys, in order to use that, I'm not going to use any kind of programming languages or any stuff to show you like any programming software to show you how to code, but I will show you simply the code itself, so how we can do it. First of all, I will need you guys to get, in order to get any code that you want in mind, simply not only the list thing in Python, you can get whatever you'd like using ChatGPT. So let's go for example to ChatGPT, and from here we go to here and click on try. So after that, this page shall be opened if you have an account. If you don't have one, you just have to create one really quick, really simple. After that, what you're gonna do is pretty simple. Just go here, write me a script. So script in Python for lists. Write me a script for write me a script of lists in Python. Now we wait, and it will not take it so long because it's pretty simple code. So let's wait a little bit, and if it does take so long, that not because of the AI itself, but because there is so many people uh, and so much traffic on the server. So here we go. This is how you can make a list of numbers, list of strings, list of mixed data types, and how to access the elements of the list. So basically, it gives you all the information. So for example, if you want to create a list of numbers, you just have to write numbers equal, and then you open this, and then one comma 2 3 4 5 so go on. If you want to make a list of strings, you can just for example make the name fruits and then apple banana cherry mixed whatever you'd like. And for example, this is boolean, and here if you want to access whatever you'd like, so you can just go for example here, which is print the first element of number is number 0. Number 0 basically is 1, and basically fruits number 1, which is banana. So it starts from 0 1 2. So 0 1 2 3 4, and here the same thing, which is 0 1 2 3. So number 2, which is 6, and fruit 0 pear. Modify element, so how you can modify the element. So here number 2, which is 3, it's gonna be turned into 6. And here add element to the list, how you can add numbers dot append 7, so we can add 7 to the list. Here fruit dot append grapes. So that's all the information that you will need about lists in Python. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.